Hello and welcome back to our channel Wristworthy. Today we are going to unbox and review a Seiko dress watch SUR523P1. So I purchased this watch from Tata Click Luxury and I paid about 14,000 Indian rupees including all the discounts, which is equal to 166 US dollars, and I think it is a great deal for the watch. So this is how the watch was delivered to me in a standard Seiko packaging. As we open the box, the first thing that we see is the user manual, and there is a warranty card. The watch comes with 2 years of warranty. Now let's take the box out of the packaging. Seiko is one of the most influential and respected brands in the watchmaking world, and they have done significant contribution to the watchmaking industry. And we have this link removal tool. And if you want to watch more content like this, please hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss out on our latest videos. And please watch the video till the end. The box feels sturdy and made up of cardboard. As we open the box, we see a soft cloth to clean the watch dial. Right out of the box, you can tell that Seiko has once again delivered a clean and timeless design. The watch comes with a polished stainless steel case and the sides are brushed. Now let's remove all the plastics and the tags from the watch. And let's check the dimensions real quick. The case diameter is 40 mm. Case thickness is about 8.4 mm. Lug width is 20 mm. And lug to lug is about 47 mm. Let's take a quick look at the case back. The case back is made up of stainless steel and it is a screw down type. Seiko branding with sapphire crystal and the serial numbers are mentioned at the case back. The watch is 100 meter water resistant and the watch houses one of the most reliable quartz movement 6 and 5-2 beneath the case back. When we take a look at the sides are brushed and the crown is unsigned. The watch has got a stainless steel bracelet and the design is amazing and goes pretty good with the dial. Brushed links with polished lines are eye-catching. The bracelet has a 3-fold clasp with Seiko logo. However, the bracelet itself does not have much of a weight and links are hollowed and the 3-fold clasp looks cheap. But considering the price point that it comes at, this is something that you can easily settle with. Now let's talk about the part you will be most interested at. The watch features a pink salmon dial with a beautiful sunburst finish that really catches the light from different angles. And it's a color you don't often see on a watch, which makes this watch stands out from the more common options. The applied indices are sharp and well finished, reflecting Seiko's attention to detail. They are paired with Dauphin-style hands, a design that's notably borrowed from Grand Seiko collection. This subtle connection gives the watch a touch of luxury and making it feel more premium than it actually is. Although it's not a part of the Grand Seiko family, but you can see how it inherits some of that DNA, especially in the hands and the overall design. The sapphire crystal used on this watch is another major highlight. We rarely see an entry-level Seiko with sapphire crystal. As for color options, if the pink salmon dial isn't quite your style, the watch also comes in blue and olive green variants, giving you plenty of choices to suit your personal taste. The date window is at 3 o'clock position and the hands and the indices are lumed. Here are some lume shots for you. Now it's time to put this watch on and let's see if it is wrist worthy or not. The watch has a sleek and slim profile. It sits nice and flat on the wrist, makes it incredibly comfortable, especially for those who prefer a low profile watch. Now let's see how does it look when it's compared with Timex Waterbury chronograph. And this is how it goes with Timex Expedition North chronograph green. And this is how it looks when it's compared with Casio G-Shock Digital. Now let's try on some leather straps with the watch. In conclusion, this Seiko watch is a bit of a hidden gem. Interestingly, the Seiko SUR series watches are very less heard of. It's not a watch that gets a lot of attention or hype in the watch community, but that just adds it to its charm. For those who appreciate a well-designed, versatile timepiece with unique color options and solid specifications like the Sapphire crystal, 100-meter water resistance, stainless steel case, this watch is an excellent find and could be your everyday dress watch. The pink salmon dial in particular sets it apart, offering something fresh and stylish without being too loud or flashy. So that's it for our review of the Seiko SUR523P1. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to Wristworthy for more watch content. Let me know in the comments what you think of this piece and if it is a worthy addition to your collection or not. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Until next time, stay wristworthy.